Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set the time and date on the Citizen EcoDrive Perpetual calendar watch with manual number E820. First step is to pull the crown 1 and to turn the crown to face the function hand, the mode hand to TME or time. Wait for the hand to stop moving, pull the crown to the second position and press one time the upper right button. Turn the crown clockwise and anti-clockwise to set your desired time. Pay close attention to the morning-afternoon dial to know if you are setting time for the morning or for the afternoon. Press one time the upper right button and now turn the crown to set the year. Use the table shown to place the hand of the small die to either 0, 1, 2 or 3. For example, for 2020 it is 0. Press the upper right button once and now turn the crown to set the months using the second hand. The hour mark 1 will be January, hour mark 2 will be Feb as follows. Press the upper right button one more time and now turn the crown clockwise to set the date of the months. To exit the setting, push the crown back to the 0 position. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.